Welcome to the first episode of Creative Content. Today we will discuss about dust allergy. Nowadays, dust allergy is one of the vital threat for mankind. But we have to take some remedies to prevent the dust allergy. People affected with dust allergy often in their home. Home is supposed to one of the main chambers of dust mites, which is the main reason behind the dust allergy. Dust mites are nothing but tiny organisms which are rarely seen by the naked eyes. Dust mites are one of the main and common allergens found in our home and very much responsible for dust allergy in recent past years. With the addition of allergic rhinitis, the dust mites cause asthma and lead to eczema. Season change is one of the main culprits of allergies, and dust mites cause an allergic reaction. Causes of dust allergy. Before we know about the remedies, let us know what causes the dust allergy. Here are some causes of dust allergy. Number 1, pollen, a component of plants, trees, or flowers which leads to an allergic reaction. Number 2, mold, one type of fungus present in the air which leads to allergy. Number 3, cockroaches, one type of insect have tiny wings and it leads to dust allergy and asthma. Number 4, pet hair, fur and feathers. Many of us have pets, but the hair of pets may lead to allergy. Now we have to know what is the symptoms of dust allergy before we take care of it. Here are the symptoms. Number 1, sneezing. Sneezing is your body's way of removing irritants from your nose and throat. Sneezing often happens suddenly without warning. Sneezing is powerful explosion of air. Number 2, red and itchy eyes. Whenever you have red, shallow and itchy eyes, the usual suspects are pollen, dust mites, feathers or the common indoor or outdoor allergens. Number 3, runny nose. Excess nasal drainage is known as a runny nose. It may be thick mucus, thin clear fluid or sometimes in between. The term rhinitis is often used to refer a runny nose. Number 4, chest tightness. It's a common sensation and it's a symptom of many different conditions. Chest tightness can be a result of various dangerous diseases which can affect the internal organs within the thorax, including the heart, the lungs, the esophagus, the stomach. It can affect the chest wall also. Number 5, wheezing. Wheezing is the main and common symptom of dust allergy. In dust allergy, mild wheezing can happen and a whistling sound made when you breathe. Wheezing is associated with asthma and with some similar allergic reaction, it can affect the airways and lungs. Creative mates come with some old age home remedies for treating dust allergy at the home. Hope it may help you all to remove the irritation of dust allergy. So, here are the remedies. Number 1, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is an effective expectorant in nature and it's used for treating dust allergy. ACV has also anti-inflammatory properties which makes it a first choice remedies to treating dust allergy. You will need to take 1 glass of warm water, 2 to 3 spoon apple cider vinegar and if possible then take 1 tablespoon of honey. Now you can mix all ingredients and sip the solution. You can take this mixture safely 2 to 3 times a day. So let me tell you why you use this remedy. Apple cider vinegar works as an antihistamine for its antimicrobial properties. This is quite similar to the product which we usually take from chemist. Also, apple cider vinegar is very much effective to prevent the spreading of allergy further. Number 2, honey. Honey is one of the essential natural remedies for treating dust allergies. Honey can prevent allergies for a longer period. You will need to take 2 teaspoons of raw honey and consume it 2 to 3 times a day. When you take honey regularly, your body exposed to a very small amount of pollen regularly and makes your body less sensitive to allergies for a longer period. Number 3, ghee. Ghee is very effective in treating the symptoms of dust allergies. You will need to take 1 to half a tablespoon ghee and jaggery as much as you required. You can lick or suck ghee for treatment of uncontrollable sneezing and add jaggery to make it more palatable. Consume this whenever you feel the irritation of allergy. Mainly, ghee has anti-inflammatory properties, so it can help to clear the nasal congestion and also give relief from sneezing. Number 4, green tea. Green tea is considered for treating various kinds of disease including dust allergy. You will need to take 1 cup of hot water, 1 green tea bag, and if you want then take honey. Steep the tea bag into hot water for a few minutes, add honey for making it more palatable. You can take this tea 3 to 4 times in a day for a quicker result. So green tea has antioxidant properties, contains a huge amount of catechin, help to deal with symptoms of dust allergy. Number 5, citrus fruit. Citrus fruits are known for its rich source of vitamin C, which works as an effective antioxidant. It is one of the important home remedies for treating the symptoms of dust allergy. You will need to take citrus fruit and vegetables which is rich in vitamin C like orange, lemon, cauliflower, etc. You can take the vegetables and fruits approximately 500 gram to 1000 gram per day basis. It gives a high volume of vitamin C in your body. Vitamin C helps to prevent the release of histamine in your body and it also helps the speeding up their breakdown. Number 6, eucalyptus oil. This oil is very much essential for curing dust allergies. You will need to take 5 to 6 drops of eucalyptus oil to hot water and inhale the vapor emitted. You can take this remedy 2 to 3 times in a day. Eucalyptus oil has very much therapeutic properties, also contains anti-inflammatory properties which prevent nasal congestion and allergies. Number 7, aloe vera. Aloe vera is a very much important home remedy for treating against dust allergy. You will need to take 4 to 5 tablespoon aloe vera juice and drink it 2 times a day. Aloe vera has analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties which is very much beneficial for the treatment of pain and swelling caused by dust allergy. Number 8, turmeric. Turmeric is known for cooking ingredients in Indian household, but let me clear you, turmeric is very effective in dust allergy treatment. You will need to take 1 cup of milk, 1 to half teaspoon turmeric powder, little bit of pepper, dust and honey as required. Add turmeric and pepper with boiled milk and consume it by adding honey. Drink this mixture 2 to 3 times in a day for speedy recovery against dust allergy. Turmeric is filled with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties which is very much beneficial to prevent the dust allergy. Last but not the least, Neti Kriya. Plain saline water or salt water is known to use for the treatment of nasal congestion from the centuries of Ayurveda. It removes the irritation of nasal congestion. You will need to a bowl of saline water and a neti pot. Put the water on a pot and bend your head and start pouring the saline water into one nostril and let it flow with the other one. You can do this 2 to 3 times a day for quick action. As saline water is an effective nasal decongestant, It reduces the chances of rebound action of nasal congestion and it is effective against rhinitis. To stay safe and healthy, we have to take vitamins, minerals, and maintain a proper diet. Not only dust allergy, but also there are lots of disease attacks our body every second. Make a habit to take the appropriate amount of water every day. Creative mates are always with you to give some healthy tips which are more effective than any other highly paid experts. So be connected with us and share our article with your friends and families. Stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.